How to print email in your Gmail account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily print out your emails. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser and then simply head over to gmail.com. Once you open up your Gmail, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you can just choose any email that you want to print out. So let's say if I want to print out this email right here, what I'm going to do is go on top of this email, and at the top right corner, you'll find this print option right besides in a new window. Just click on this print all option, and you'll be taken to a next page where you will see a print pop-up. So there are 3 pages to this email. And if you want to print certain pages, you can choose from here. You can click on customize, choose which page you want to print. I'm going to print all for now. You can choose the destination printer as well. Click on see more, and there are other stuff as well that you can find here. Now, once your destination is set, you can choose your layout if you want it to be portrait or landscape. Let's say if I just want it to be portrait, I'm going to click here. Choose if you want black and white or color printout, depending on your printer. And under more settings, you have an option for paper size. Let's say if I want A4 printout, I'm going to choose A4. And then choose pages per sheet, margins, and then you can also choose your scales. You could choose your options like header and footer or background graphics as well. I'm going to turn that off right now. And once you're ready and if your printer is connected, just click on this print option and you'll get a printout of this exact pages. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.